I have a new bird.
Hey everyone, Kenny Kitsune here. Look at my dogs. Aren't they pretty? Alright, today... Izzy's that one.
Hey Izzy, hey good girl.
Alright, today we're gonna feed the bird. Because my buddy wants to feed the bird. Okay.
Don't fly out, Charlie. Don't fly out.
I can't do this with one hand. Alright. I'm gonna throw this out. Or, how about you, buddy? Throw the old bird seed out. Over to here. Throw it out. That's good. Now, you basically know I scoop it in here.
I know. I want to do it. I can scoop.
You can do that. Get the scooper.
And scoop. Two scoop.
Get one more.
Ew!
Here.
It smells weird.
It's bird food.
What does it smell like hair? But why does it smell like hair? I can put it in.
Okay.
Open the cage. I'll put it.
Put it in there. And let's put it right there. Okay, you just watched me and my buddy feed a bird. For more exciting stuff like this, leave a like and a comment down below.
I hope
And,
we get 2 likes.
2 likes. Alright, 2 likes. Bye-bye.